Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Ordinary E. On the free PC build giveaway. In order to win the giveaway or win the PC, just subscribe to the channel and message me on Instagram with a theme, guys. So if you don't win this PC, there is about 3 or 4 parts for another PC I have, so I will be doing more giveaways. So make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on so you get a message that my videos are popping off. And message me on Instagram about a theme, and whoever suggests a good theme that I will choose wins the PC. So obviously this theme is now going ahead through my choice because nobody messaged me on Instagram. So for whatever reason, if you don't want a free PC, then okay, fair enough. But all you got to do is subscribe, cost you nothing. I will do it in Essex, I will deliver it personally. If you're outside of Essex, depending on how far you are, I will have to see about delivering it or get it arranged by courier, so don't worry about that. Yeah, all you got to do is subscribe, guys. That's all you got to do. Message me on Instagram. The Instagram is a link below in the description, I think, and it's on my on the YouTube page, so you can just quite easily message me a theme. Because if you don't want a theme, then message me, leave the PC, you know, blank, no theme. I guess that would be an option as well. So alright, let's get this going. 10 inches. Oh, it's dripping. That's not spraying out, that's dripping out. Oh, the can is in the wrong place. Alright guys, there's the first coat. I'm going to do 2 or 3 coats every 15 minutes and we see how that looks after that. Alright guys, coat number 2. Make sure the nozzle's facing straight out this time, because that's what caused that spot in there. Actually, I'm going to concentrate on one at a time. Alright guys, we're coming in for coat number 3. I think I was getting too close because it says to be 10 inches and I'm way down there, so let's do it up here. Yeah, that's a much better finish. Alright guys, coming in with the 4th and final coat. Make sure your nozzle's straight out. Here we go. Alright. Next we're going to tackle this with the stencil I'm making on the side there, so we'll let this dry a bit and then we'll swap this out. Guys, here's a sketch of the first decal that I'm going to put on top of here. And it's just a test really, that's why I'm doing it on the power supply first, just before we attack the case to see how well this works. So I just drew this on the back or inside of a PG Tips T box. I'm going to cut that out with this. I think I'm going to spray this first, the colour, and then this is going to go after it's dried and spray this on top, because I can pretty much cover everything then and not get any spray elsewhere. So let's do that. We'll spray this first. Actually, let me cut this out first, because this is still drying and that's actually looking pretty good now. I like it. Alright guys, so these are done. We can set these aside. And now we're going to go for this. So I'm going to paint in 2 sides. I was going to do the decal first, but then I thought, how am I going to protect the lettering? So I might as well spray it all in one colour and then do the decal after. Don't know what the right way is. Oh. This doesn't want to grip onto that anymore. Alright, there's the first coat. Okay, this one doesn't want to grip, so we're just going to go. Just as good. Alright guys, final coat on this one. That should do it. Now I've got to wait 24 hours for it all to dry, and we'll do the pattern on this one, and then we'll do the clear coats. Cheers. Well, hey guys, it's the next day. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that's come out real nice. You see that? I do notice that. So there was imperfection there before. Can you see that? And it seems to be grinning through. I don't know. I did sand this down, so I don't know why that would have done that. But just check out that color, guys. That's awesome. Yeah, can you see that? I don't know. So maybe something I need to understand for when I do the case. But if the case is going to look like this, ooh, that's beautiful. That is going to look beautiful, guys. Alright, so the last thing to do on here, this is now fully cured. We're going to spray paint our decal on here. Now you're not going to see these things, this, and also the fans have come out real good. So nice gold fans, blue and gold. Is that giving you any ideas? I mean, this should give you an idea, this decal here, right? Let me know in the comments what you think it is. And again, also make sure you tell me what operating system I should use. Bearing in mind it's an old PC, so Windows will probably not get supported on the update Windows 11. So do I go with the OS Flex Google operating system or Linux, something that begins with F? I can't remember the full name now, but begins with F. But let's get this done for this video. We're going to spray paint the decal on here, and again, I don't know which way this goes in the case, so you're probably not going to see it, which is fine. But I just want to spray paint the decal on here, and then we'll give it a clear coat, and that'll be it for this video. And then we work on the case, and as I said, I'm going to try and get this done within this week, so you're going to get a few short videos coming out, and I want to get this PC done before Christmas. If it goes a bit over, so be it, but yeah, we're going to try. The decal's not too great, so I need to stick this down somewhere and make sure I don't get paint anywhere else. Do I go? Probably just go like that. Might be alright. Obviously don't want that in there. I need to protect all the parts that I don't want painted, so let's get on to it. We're ready we've wrapped it all up. Hopefully this works. Wish me luck. I think that yellow is gonna, it may do, we'll see. Alright guys, you may have seen it's changed a bit, different colour now. It's white because I had a bit of a setback. Although I want this kind of fluorescent yellow, when mixed with the blue it was going green, as you can see from the side of the box, and I didn't show you that, but you might have seen it in the spraying I was doing. It was coming out green. So I'm hoping that by doing the white primer and then the yellow, we're going to get the yellow. But that's going to be it for this on this video. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to work on the case now, and that video is going to come out while this is curing and in the next few days. So turn your notifications on and be in with a chance to win this PC, if there's an if, and you'll find out what the if is in the final video. So see you then. Thanks very much.